So guys, the day has finally come and we have just gotten confirmation from Tesla that they are working on a comprehensive cleaning solution that's coming out to all future vehicles. Now with all the full self-driving and safety features heavily dependent on the vision system, we all knew that the crutch was going to be the camera's ability to see in rain, fog, snow, or direct sunlight, but all of that can be resolved with software. However, one thing that cannot be resolved through software is when the cameras are heavily baked in dirt. Over the past few years, there have been many iterations of the sensor suite, going from the complete package with radar, ultrasonic sensors, and cameras to now only being dependent on Tesla Vision. The Vision system features 7 to 8 cameras mounted on the exterior of the vehicle, providing a comprehensive 360-degree view of its surrounding environment. And advanced software will then integrate the camera feeds into a single unified display, which is then processed by the vehicle's onboard computer system. In recent years, this decision has proven to be the right one, as the complexities and cost of managing multiple sensor types have been unnecessary and in some cases have made operations even more challenging. The latest software version 13 of the full self-driving software has demonstrated that vision alone is sufficient and is most likely to become the preferred hardware for future autonomous vehicles. So now the only thing left aside from further improvements to the software before fully realized unsupervised full self-driving is available is for the cameras to have the ability to operate in all weather conditions. This means that even if it's covered up in dirt and mud, that it will find a way to complete its maneuver and clean the cameras automatically. That being said, we have some really exciting news. Tesla AI team has just officially confirmed that they are working on a comprehensive solution to resolve the camera issue that we have all been waiting for. This is expected to roll out to vehicles very soon. In a response to a post by Dirty Tesla on X highlighting his Cybertruck's camera's ability to see while covered up in dirt, a user that goes by the Cybertruck guy says that if he doesn't lick his camera every drive, he'll have a persistent multiple cameras blocked or blinded error message that appears on the screen consistently. And to our surprise, the Tesla AI team responded to this post, jokingly added that they should add a flavor to the camera coating, incentivizing owners to clean it more often. He says that while he agrees that cleaning cameras while supervised is definitely something we need to consider, having an official post from the Tesla AI team about cleaning our own cameras is a bit concerning. An unsupervised version of full self-driving cannot have customers going out and wiping the cameras each time they get dirty. Then surprisingly enough, the Tesla engineering team took notice of this and gave a very simple and short response that they are working on a comprehensive cleaning solution that is expected to be rolling out very soon. So here's the thing, even though it was a very simple and short response, this is a very critical piece into the development and trust that we have as owners into this program and into the software that they are working on. All of the doubts that we had surrounding the Robotaxi, the Cybercab, and our very own cars are no longer there, as this is the very first time that Tesla has officially confirmed that they are working on the solution to our problems that we had on the very first day. Now, a few other things here that will certainly come up that hasn't been answered yet, and I thought I'd touch up upon it. These are things that we expect, and these are things that we may doubt to come with this camera cleaning solution. The first one here is an obvious, and that is if it will become as a retrofittable part and what they are planning to do with the older models. Are they going to make it compatible, or is this only going to be available on newer vehicles rolling off of the line? To me personally, I think that this is going to only be compatible with the newer vehicles, as this is going to take a lot of additional wiring and tubing. If they are planning to do something relating to water sprays, this is going to be something that needs to be done internally right from the development of the vehicle as it was being redesigned. The next one here we have to consider is if this is going to be part of the Hardware 5 or the AI 5 package that Elon did hint a few months back. 18 months from that very point, which is about less than a year from today, they are going to be introducing the next iteration, next version of the hardware computer, as well as all the changes coming along with the sensor suite. This could indicate a lot of different things happening to the future vehicles. If you want to know more about that, I do have a dedicated video purely on hardware 5, what they have found out so far, and a lot of things that they are working with different manufacturers that we do not see as of yet. I will drop that video in the description below as well as on the pinned comments. If you guys want to check it, hit that link and over there you will see everything I'm talking about. Then of course this leads us on to the question whether this is going to be a physical moving hardware. Is it going to be a sprayer in addition to the hardware, or is this going to be something that is on the software side that they are working on right now? I do think that we are at the limitations of software and there needs to be something done. There is nothing that can realistically solve the issue when dirt and mud is covering the cameras, aside from having something that will sweep it away and clean it when that time does come. And of course, for the very last one, this is whether it's going to be worth it. When is it going to come out? And if this is something that you would rather wait for instead of picking your vehicle up right now, I do think that there is a benefit in waiting, especially that it's under 1 year from today. There's a lot of us that are excited for the Model Y Juniper. This is definitely a hard one, but if you are in it for full self-driving and you want the very best car, it's probably best to wait a few more months to see what happens to the sensor suite, if they are going to announce something publicly, or are they going to wait until January of 2026 to unveil this new hardware 5 system. All of this definitely sounds very exciting, and I am going to do a deep dive purely into this camera cleaner alone. There's already a lot of obstruction features that have just revealed, and there is also the new camera housing that just came out as well. All of that also in the description below, but there's a ton more I do want to talk about with this new camera cleaning solution that they've discussed. I will be saving that for another video, so if you guys want to stick around, I will be keeping my eyes out on everything Tesla related as well as this, so make sure you guys stick around, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, and follow me on Twitter or X at HeyJohnnyE. Over there you guys will see things you won't see over here, as well as you guys can chat with me and I will respond as quickly as possible. This should be it for this one, however. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is John once again. Peace out.